So now it's actually was nighttime, but I want to show you a different trick. But I I I know you're new here, so I'm just going to try to show you how to do something. And I'll show you how I make it first. Get ready. Okay, do you know how to do that? No, then I'll teach you. So first you put your knees down and then put your hands like
Louder.
this, and then you flip around like that. But watch out, it's a little bit dangerous. Actually, I 5 years old, and if you like my video, you can like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.